Today we are highlighting this BMW 2022 540i xDrive. Now this is an inline 6 with a 8-speed automatic sport transmission. We have added the M Sport package, so we'll get the M lights with the extended Shadowline trim and the 20-inch M Y-spoke wheels. You'll be riding on an M suspension as well. And this exterior paint color is Bernina Gray Amber Effect. It has a really pretty gold flake to it. Remote start is an added option as well. Keyless entry is a standard feature on this vehicle. And inside you have the luxury seating package, which adds ventilation and multi-contour to these Ivory White Nappa Leather seats. You have the standard sunroof, as well as lane departure warning, frontal collision warning, blind spot detection, Apple and Android Auto, a few others in there. Premium package has been added, so you get Harman Kardon sound, head-up display, as well as gesture control. Front massage seats have been added to the vehicle as well, so you're going to be super comfortable in that driver's seat. But the passengers back here still have plenty of space. In the rear, we've opted to include the cargo mat, so that will protect from all of the sand and debris that you'll put back here.